Hey, this is Tony from Tony's Cabin, and Sammy the Wonder Dog that was just stopped barking at me because I walked out the door with my camera. So I think he wants to be ham bone. I guess. Now he stopped barking. Well, anyway, I came out here to show you my golden glows. They finally blossomed. They are very, very tall. I don't know how I can demonstrate with the camera in my hand, but maybe this way. Can you see me and how tall they are? I hope. But this is what they look like up close. They are a type of cornflower. I wanted to get out here today because we're supposed to get a storm. And I don't know whether or not they're going to stay up. Usually I have to get a string and string them from the edge all the way over and keep them together because they fall over. They're so tall. So I don't know. Hopefully it won't damage it. I was supposed to get more wood. He called me. I thought he might come today, but maybe with the rain he won't. I don't blame him. I wouldn't want to work in the rain. But yeah, I'll go show you my pickles and my tomatoes. My poor little hostas, the flowers are falling off. And, oh, I'm getting a couple seeds right there. There's some seeds, so I'm going to try to get them and see how maybe I can plant them somewhere else. Okay. My tomatoes is doing good. There's my tomatoes. A couple bad leaves are turning yellow. I don't know what that means. If anybody knows what yellow means, let me know. But I know there's pickles. Where are you, pickles? Okay, there's one. That's there. There's one. I know there's more. Oh, there's another one way back in there. Yeah, I think they're ready to come. I'm pretty sure I should pull them. But they say pull them in the morning so they have more water in them. It's only 2. It's not going to make very many pickles. But I can put them in the pickle jar. When I get more, I can put more in there. I'm just making doughs anyway, so it's no big deal. You know. So, anyway, hopefully the guy comes and splits them for me. He'll have to bring a splitter with him. There's quite a few there. I'm going to see at least 6. Easy 6. Probably a lot more. But yeah. There's my Sammy. And all my columbines, they're not flowering anymore. They're done. They're done flowering, but they're still big plants. So, I'm going to let you guys go before I get caught in the rain. This is Tony from Tony's Cabin. Peace out. Tell truth, shame devil. And Sammy says, wait a minute. He's doing something. We have to cover. He says bye to everybody. Night, people. Bye-bye.